Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jeria and today I'll be cooking some baked chicken. So continue watching, join me in the kitchen and let's start cooking. So these are all the seasonings that I will be using, and my chicken is already cleaned with some vinegar and lemon juice. And of course I have to use some garlic, so I'm crushing some garlic to add to the chicken. So after adding my powder seasonings and garlic, I'm going in with some thyme, scallion, sweet pepper, onion, ginger, carrots, and I'm also adding some Irish potato. So guys, you can add whatever seasonings of your liking to your baked chicken. And how can I forget to mention my pepper? I normally use Scotch bonnet pepper, but I think this one is a habanero pepper, but whichever one, it's still gonna add that zing and spicy flavor to my baked chicken. So I'm also adding some pimento seed, then I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. So I normally add a little honey, a little barbecue sauce, a little ketchup, a little sweet and spicy sauce as a part of my seasoning process. And yes guys, I forget to mention my paprika. I normally add paprika to my baked chicken. I just love the color that it gives. So after adding all the seasonings and ingredients, I combine them, then I cover and let it marinate overnight. So it's a brand new day guys, and now I'm about to start the baking process. As you can see, I'm now greasing my baking tin, then I'm going to add the chicken onto or into the baking tin. So I'm going to cover the chicken with some foil paper for the first half of the baking process. Then at the second half of the baking process, I'm going to remove it. So this is how it is looking at the first half of the baking process, and now is when I make my sauce to pour over the chicken. So this is the end result guys. This is how it is looking, and I serve this with some rice and peas. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also turn your post notification on so you can be notified whenever I post my content. Thank you again for watching guys. Bye. Peace out.